Right, good morning guys and girls. So we're on the daily Bitcoin chart. I've still got this fixed range pull here. I'm not going to go into too much detail today because we've just been in this range up and down around this $39,000 area, and this point of control, we're just arguing it continuously. So I just want to stay zoomed out and just check the higher time frame volume. So if we take this fixed range pull from when we dropped into this area, you'll see our point of control is exactly on that 39,000, or the local point of control. The next high volume nodes correspond, and that's that $42,000 area. And then the next high volume node around there, it's slightly outside the value area high, but that also corresponds with that $47,000 area. So very important. The 42 we've sort of washed it and gone through, but we do need to get above it, claim it, and then attempt that $47,000 area. Just going to stick with this sort of bullish point of view for the first part, and then I'm going to take a fixed range pull from the all-time high. You'll see once again point of control, very important, $42,000 area and the $47,000 area. And then the last fixed range pull I want to take from, to capture this curve that we made from where we started at these previous lows. The high volume node exactly where we are now, and then that 47 that I've been going on about for a long time now. So just zooming out there, those are the levels, and I think it's important to, if you just look at that little picture there, that's where we are now, and we've been working this channel, but we need to get above there. The 42 needs to be claimed. I think the way to do that is to get above that 42 and then you turn it into support. So it's been resistance now, level we just can't get above it and claim it. It needs to become support, and then we can attempt that 47,000. 47,000 is obviously going to reject us. We never know, we can't predict, we need to wait till we get there. We might just shoot straight through it, that'll be a big surprise, but I think we're going to come back, maybe find support again from 42, maybe stay in this range for a while, then claim the 47, and then that'll be the sign of strength if we can turn it into support, from resistance into support. And then just zooming out a little bit, to see where if we don't, and I'll turn from the bullish version more to the bearish version. So just take a Fibonacci pull from those Corona lows to where we are right now, well, to the all-time high, and then you'll see those lows are really important there in June, July last year. If you look at them from a macro perspective, you'll see that we've made a high there, and we've made our low, which was obviously higher low than our previous low. Then we made a higher high, and that was a higher low. But this is now crucial that we go higher than that previous high to stay in this upward macro market structure. That's why I've been going on about this area here. It's crucial that we don't fall below there. We can wick below here and take the liquidity, but if we drop down to these levels, then our macro market structure becomes vulnerable, and then I'm not so sure if we're gonna get the higher highs or the bull run that the people have been really hoping for. So yeah, that's my bearish scenario. If we break this 618 Fibonacci, we're going to have some problems. So I think the first next support will be that. I've marked that in a little block there. It's like an order block. You can drop down to there, 23, 24, 500, and then you can see the support is quite obvious. All the other supports, they're working from the Fibonacci. This will be our next level, the 17,000, and then obviously 11,000 is our next level around there. You can see where there's support. I don't want to be too negative, but we need to be ready for anything to happen, and I think it's nothing to be scared about. I used to be scared and I didn't like, and I became negative when Bitcoin goes down. But I think it's just more and more opportunity. So what an opportunity when it comes down here, so that you can buy more Bitcoin or long, or get in a really long-term long trade to go back to all-time highs. So it's not all that negative. Just an overview of what we should expect. Just going to end off with this trend line here that I've had on my chart for quite a while. I've showed it to you many times. I can't figure out why I can't get a channel to work with it. It's only this line, and it's just been really good support and resistance. You can see all the way down there. Look how it's been respected, and again this morning early. Sorry, I'm gonna end off with that. Leave you with that. We've got this liquidity here, and then that weekly that just keeps on giving us really good support for this range that we are in right now. Alright, keep your eyes on the charts, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow morning. Cheers.